Hey, fourth graders, it's time for my fall festival activity, and today you are going to be doing a poster called Figure Me Out. So let's talk about what you're going to do. First things first, your teacher is going to pass out a blank poster. The first thing you are going to do is draw a picture of yourself in the middle of the poster. And if you want to title your poster Figure Me Out, you can do that as well. So the whole premises of this activity is that instead of telling people things about you, like saying, my birthday's in March, or my birthday is April 3rd, you are actually going to make them figure you out by using math expressions. Now, these are called expressions, not equations, because they don't have an equal sign. So we're going to play a little game right now with me on figuring me, Mrs. Farber, out. So my age, I did this activity a long time ago. So my age is 7 times 4. That is, you guessed it, 28. Instead of adding 1, I want you to go ahead and add 6 to that number. So what is my age? Yeah, 34. Very good. My shoe size is 24 divided by 4. Shoe size is? You got it, 6. The amount of letters in my first name is 11 minus 6. That's 5, E-M-I-L-Y. My birth month is the only even prime number. Ooh, tricky. That would be the number 2. So my birthday month is February. Number of people in my family, this also needs to be updated. Instead of 18 divided by 6, I need to do 24 divided by 6. That would be 4. Down here, I used a letter in my equation, and this letter is called a variable. So let's see if you can figure out my birthday day. So E minus 6 equals 3 plus 4. So we would want to do 3 plus 4 first. That would give you a sum of 7. So now, what minus 6 would give you 7? Anybody know? Yes, it is 13. So I was born February 13th. See how you're figuring me out? Number of pets I own, 6 divided by 6. Yes, I only own 1 pet. His name is Baxter. And number of siblings I have, those would be brothers or sisters, 2 times 1. 2. So now it's your turn to make a poster to help your teacher figure you out. So you are going to first start by drawing your face. And then your teacher is going to come around and pass out 6 little colored strips. On these colored strips is where you are going to write your expressions, okay? And I am going to put up a PowerPoint to help you kind of work through this. But here's what you need to know. You need to use all 4 operations. So that would be addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Very good. I want to know 6 tidbits about you. I want to know your birthday day. I want to know your age. I want to know how many letters are in your first or your last name. You can choose. And I want to know your favorite number. The other 2 are completely up to you. Now, before you go and you glue your colored expression onto your poster, I would check with either the teacher or somebody around you to make sure that they can solve it and they get the correct answer. Because sometimes we make up an expression and we don't get the correct answer, and then that's not actually our age or our birthday day or our shoe size or whatever you want to do. Okay? I hope you guys have fun doing this poster called Figure Me Out. Have fun, everybody.